Hello, hi. Azrin here from Glasfil Polymer Malaysia. I'm here in a cafe Düsseldorf. In front of me right now is a German plastic museum, and you can see this is the chair where is the first recycle. I think 25 years back, is it?
Yeah, it was made in 1995.
1995. Okay, so with me right now is Miss Uta Scotton. Okay, so it's nice to meet you because I just passed by just now. So maybe you can share with me actually what is actually the German Plastic Museum have done to educate people about the recycle in plastic itself.
The German Plastics Museum was founded in 1986, and it was the idea to show the people that plastics, it is a modern material, but it has a history since the beginning of the 20th century.
Okay.
And we try to show all aspects of living with plastics, manufacturing plastics, and one aspect is now what do we with plastic waste. And here we have an example of a very early try to recycle, yeah. And it was made by a British designer.
Okay.
And it was Jane Atfield.
Okay.
And here you can see it's a very primitive try to recycle polyethylene.
Polyethylene, okay.
Yeah, you take the packaging like bottles for soap, all these things.
Okay.
They were melted together, pressed, and they cut on the sheets. And then they were made with screws together.
Yeah, to assembly
it. Quite a primitive form.
Okay, for this kind of this is a chair. Definitely, everyone knows this one is a chair. So from the chair itself, is there any like people willing to buy this kind of chair for the interior kind of thing? Because look at the colors and everything is like it's already out of the contemporary kind of design. So is there any person or people that are willing to buy this one to be in a design in their household, something like that?
I think so.
Okay, that's very good.
And there are plastic things, they may last very long, because we have here a chair.
Oh, okay.
It was made about 50 years ago.
50 years ago, okay.
And you can still sit on it, it's stable.
It's stable enough for me on this weight? Conclude that it's actually it's no harm to use the plastic, but you have to have a better knowledge how to recycle back after the use.
Yeah, I always say the problem is not the material itself, but it's how the mankind will use it.
The human itself.
Yeah. It's an example. I say always the plastic bags. They are not standing at the seaside and say, "Oh, now we are going to bath." No, it's mankind. They throw them.
Yeah, correct.
And that's very important to understand. That we have to handle plastic
the issues.
In another way and don't throw them away without thinking about them.
Okay, so I just want to ask you, because you are here in a very big exhibition, which is a cafe, it's a world plastic exhibition right now. So this site bring up the knowledge over Germany. Are you going outside also to give some of the talks about the plastic? So which country that actually you are going to, or which area?
We have wandering exhibitions, we go to schools, or we have exhibitions in shopping malls. And we try to educate people a bit that we have to live with plastics, and but we have to be aware that it is a very worthwhile material, but it has its problem. But every material and everything in an industry has problems, and we have to be aware of.
Correct. Okay. So I think that's all for today. I'm very pleasure to meet you out because I just passed by. Then I just look up. This is my first time actually. I'm so amazed about this chair because we just started this year in our factory, but then over here is already back 20 years back. So I'm very glad to speak to you today, and hopefully we can have a sharing knowledge after this so far. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Nice.